let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following best explain why the Congressional Committee Report, the CCR, are considered persuasive but not controlling? It means they are not the law. Now, if you're not sure what the Congressional Committee Report is, you could always ask the AI to help you explain it, and if it explains it, it's going to basically give you the answer, but you should not work this question unless you think you know what that is. So let's take a look at the answer choices. They are issued after the law is enacted. They represent administrative guidance. They explain the law but do not have the force of the law. They apply only to court cases. Let's eliminate the easy one. They're not applied only to court cases. They may be used by court, but not limited to litigation, for sure. So what are they? The Congressional Committee Report, they explain what was the intent of the law. They're not the law. They don't have the force of the law, but they will tell you if there's any disagreement. This is what Congress meant, or this is what they intended to do. They wanted to collect revenue from this source, specifically from this source, so you understand the intent of the law. So the best answer choice is C, because the Congressional Committee Report explained the law but do not have the force of the law. They represent administrative guidance. No, they're not administrative guidance. We'll look at administrative guidance later on. They're part of the legislative process, congressional, not administrative. They are issued after the law is enacted. Timing does not determine the authority of them. They might be issued at the same time as the law. The timing is not an issue here. Therefore, the best answer choice is C. Now, if you'd like to let the AI explain the correct and incorrect answer in more in depth, you could ask the AI to do so. If you like this question, you can ask the AI to create another similar MCQ to test your knowledge. What should you do? Whether you are an EA candidate, CPA exam candidate, or an accounting student, visit Farhat Lectures for more resources, AI tools, lectures, podcast lessons, support by Farhat and the team. Best of luck, everyone. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.